Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Accountitude. Here I am continuing with the topic share capital. In that topic we are doing the case of issue of shares other than cash. When the shares equity share capital is issued by the company for the purchase of an asset or for the services delivered by some next company, at that time how the journal is passed, that cases we are going to discuss. The first of all, the case we have over here is Sirish Limited issued 80,000 shares of rupees 100 each to Vikas Limited for the purchase of machinery worth rupees 80 lakh. Here, Sirish Limited has purchased a machine. What is the worth of the machine? That is rupees 80 lakh. For making the payment of the machinery, Sirish Limited have not given the cash, rather they have issued the equity share capital. The number of shares given in the question were 80,000 shares which were of rupees 100 each, or you can say these shares were issued at par. Par means face value. So how the journal is to be made in the books of Sirish Limited? The journal would go first of all what debit what comes in. Here Sirish Limited is receiving machinery, and who is the giver here? That is Vikas Limited. So what would be the first journal entry? That would be machinery account debit, because debit what comes in, and who's the giver here? Vikas Limited, to Vikas Limited. And what was the worth of the machine? That was 80 lakh from Vikas Limited. So the journal became machinery account debit to Vikas Limited. Here Vikas Limited is the vendor. If the name of the party is not given over here, we would write the name, that is vendor, right? So machinery account debit to Vikas Limited. Now the point comes when we have to issue him the equity share capital. How many shares we are issuing? 80,000 shares of rupees 100 each. 100 means the face value. Here the case of face value meant is at par. We are issuing them shares of rupees 100 each at rupees 100 each itself. So the Vikas Limited becomes the receiver, debit the receiver and credit what goes out. Here Vikas Limited debit to equity share capital. What was the amount of Vikas Limited last credited? That was 80 lakh. So Vikas Limited debited with 80 lakh. And how many number of shares were issued over here? 80,000 number of shares of rupees 100 each gives you a worth of rupees 80 lakh. So what we got the journal from here: debit the receiver, credit what goes out. Vikas Limited debited to equity share capital, being share capital issued over here, worth rupees 80 lakh. So why machine account was debited? Because it's a real one, and debit what comes in. Why Vikas Limited account was credited? Because he was the giver, and giver is a personal account here, so he should be credited. In the second entry, Vikas Limited become the receiver of the equity share capital, so his personal account was debited, and what was going out here, that was a real account, that is equity share capital. That's why equity share capital account was credited. So here is the first case of issue of shares other than cash, where we have discussed the case of at par, right? We have not made these shares issued at a premium or any other cases over here. We are discussing about the point of par value of the shares. So it is done over here. We will keep the next cases in the next videos. Thanks for the day. Accountitude, keep scoring.